All of you. I gave you the assignment about the projection of solid, three-step problem. I checked that assignment, okay, but many students did lot of mistakes in that. Okay, I want to clear those mistakes. So let us see what is given in the problem. A square pyramid, side of is 40 mm, axis 70 mm, rest on HP. Okay, rest on HP. This is important. On what? On one of its edge of face. Edge of face. This is important. This word is sentence is important. With axis inclined 30 degree to VP. Draw the projection of solid. Okay. First of all, a square pyramid is there. O dash A B C D. This is axis. This is rest on HP on edge of face. Okay, with axis inclined 30 degree to VP. Okay, this is the data. Now first of all you have to understand the problem. This square pyramid rests on HP on edge of face, on this edge of face, not on the base. Okay, and axis inclined 30 degree to VP. Okay, so you have to put this solid, you have to position this solid on HP on its edge of face. Okay, understand? Now how to project that one? So how to draw that one? So this is VP, this is HP. Okay, now first of all, in this direct condition is not possible, so you have to place the solid on HP on its base. Okay, so on its base on HP, so starting with HP, but as you have to project this solid, you have to place this solid, you have to position that solid on edge of face on HP. That means in first step you have to draw the top view like that. Okay, understand? This is A, B, C, D and O. These are the edge of face. Okay, you have to put the solid on OC. Project this one. This is A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. Axis 70 mm long. O dash. Okay, now in this OP is dark. Okay, now you have to place the solid on HP. OC should be on HP. That means you have to draw C on right hand side. Okay, now next here C1 dash. Now take this distance, mark over here. Okay, so this distance mark over here. In this distance you will get solid like that. This is A1 dash, this is O1 dash, this is B1 dash, D1 dash. Okay, axis. Understand? So this is the second step, front view, top view of second step. Now project. So here A1, B1, C1, D1, O1 and X. Now join this boundary first star. Okay, now observing from this direction, as this base is visible, so DC and CB is visible to you. AO is dark. Okay, understand? No, this is C1 and this is A1. So AO is dark. Okay. Now what would you like to do? Now after solving the second step, first condition you have satisfied. Now you have to concentrate on the second condition, where the axis inclined 30 degree to VP. This axis inclined 30 degree to VP. Okay, but these angles are the true angles. These are the angles are the true angles, and here you will have to you have only reduced length. This is not the true length, okay, and this is true angle, okay. 30 is true angle and this length is not true length, okay. So this is the apparent length, so you will have to find the apparent angle. Now how to find the apparent angle, okay. First of all you will have to find the apparent angle, okay. So what to do to find the apparent angle, okay. यहाँ पे मैं apparent angle find out कर रहा हूँ, okay. First of all draw a horizontal line, okay. Now after drawing horizontal line, take the true length of the axis. Now true length of the axis is 70 mm. Now mark one point here, and true angle is 30 degree. So take the angle 30 degree, true angle, and the length is true length equal to 70, and mark one point here. Now draw the parallel line parallel to the previous one, okay. Now you have here the apparent length. So take this apparent length in your compass and mark over here. So you will get here the apparent length and you will get here the apparent angle, okay. Now you have to take the apparent angle of this axis. Now apparent angle, that may be 40 to somewhat 41, okay. So take 40. So take this angle 40, okay. Now after taking this angle, mark the different points, okay. Now this is your C2, okay. Now mark different points and redraw this figure. Now redraw this figure, same figure you will have to redraw. This is C2, this is A2, this is B2, this is D2, okay. Now this is O2. By taking the angle 60 degree, 40 degree, apparent angle equal to 40 degree. Now project all these points, okay. Now horizontally project all these points, okay. So now next A and A, this is your A2 dash, okay. B and B, this is your B2 dash. C and C, this is your C2 dash. D, D2 dash, and this is your O2 dash, okay. And this is the, you have to mark also axis. So this is your axis. So first of all, boundary should be dark. Now observe this solid from opposite view from this direction. As CB is dark, so this is dark, okay. What about DO? DO is not visible from this direction, that's why it is dotted. So this is your projection of solid, okay. This is your final answer. Here what you have to understand, okay. First of all, this resting on edge of face, so edge of face should be right, okay. So while tilting the solid, it should be on HP, okay. And next thing is that here it is a apparent length, okay. You cannot take this true angle, 30 degree true angle with this length. So you have to find, this is the apparent length, and for apparent length you have to find the apparent angle, and that means you have to find this, okay. You have to show this, okay. That is important.